Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily crude CL contract review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date November 12, 2013. Please check out hitthemarktrading.com, and while you're there you can sign up on the contacts page for weekly blog updates. Once you do that, you'll have an opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call. Rooster Call is my morning email client list of news and any technical action that might have happened during the overnight and pre-market. I send this out to clients. I'd like to send it to you for free. All right, now let's get on with the main program. Remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Please do not construe anything I mention as an offer to buy or sell any type of futures on crude oil or options on crude oil. Okay, very good. Let's go to the charts. Now here's the daily crude oil, and everything's going according to plan as far as I'm concerned. Gosh, we called this drop here consolidate drop. 96.10 was a big deal for us. We hit that, and of course we knew when we hit that, boom, we're going to go down. And now we've got 90.60 in our sights. This is where we believe price is going to go, 90.60. The fact that we've broken down through support, that is significant. That is very significant. Obviously, we could see some geopolitical event spike this thing higher. But the grinding down is reflective of two things: supply and demand destruction caused by very, very slow economies. Okay, so we're looking for this thing to drop even further. Let's go to the weekly chart. Okay, this is the weekly chart. There you go. And we've touched a support line, and we're trying to break down. Granted, it's only 2 days of the week, I know that. But if we fall, you can see why I've got 90.60 as a way station for price to just check in. Hey, here I am. Hadn't been here a while, that kind of thing. All right, very strong trend and momentum to the downside. The monthly chart. The monthly chart says, you know, would you just relax and just see that all I'm doing for years is I'm just banging from low up here and then come back down, come up and then just come down, come up, come down. In other words, I'm just sideways without conviction. That's all I'm doing. So if I've gotten this far, I might as well go to 90.60, and who knows, maybe even 86.70. Okay, we're calling for 90.60. Now let's take a look at the intraday. All right, now we are still using December futures. Okay, still using December futures. I'll make this where you can see it bigger, and I need to pull this down just a tad. There you go. So we're in December crude futures, and you know, I always ask you to draw these lines. Okay, so we see that price is just, after this big drop today, just trying to make a little bit of retracement, nothing special. Okay, this is also called a descending wedge. This tends to break to the upside 65% of the time. Now let me raise this up. I just want to show you where is 90.60. Okay, now tomorrow's action, here's what I think you should be looking for. I think you should look for price to perhaps run up here to the main floor pivot. If not, then we expect absolutely that the trend is going to continue and that we're going to go all the way down to here, minimum. Okay, so it's very easy to call these type of trades. Can we go higher? Sure. Now, you know, I only use Fibonacci on extremes and on longer time frame charts, but I know there's people out there who use Fibonacci on the day trading. I don't. So let's see here. What has this given me? Edit. I'm looking for my 0.382 and 0.5. Okay. So you can see that if we pop up higher to retest this area that price liked earlier, and if we go to the main floor pivot, wow, that's also a Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so if you're a believer in Fibonacci, then this is what you're looking at. This would be an automatic place to take some profit off. Okay, I'm not saying I don't believe Fibonacci, but I just find it more effective on the longer time frame charts, and I only use it on market extreme high or extreme low. So that's basically it for my discussion tonight. Again, I'd like you to test out the Rooster Call. I'm giving that for free. I want to also remind you, I do have a webinar with the ICE Exchange tomorrow. Okay, a webinar with the ICE Exchange tomorrow. So you can very easily go to